First are laws. Laws in a parliamentary government is different from a presidential, or how it is made or how it is approved. In parliamentary government, what they do is the Prime Minister is inside the legislature, which means that the President is involved in lawmaking, in which the Prime Minister has a first-hand view or a more direct control on how the laws are made. In contradictory to the presidential government, what they do is the President is separate from the legislature. The legislature only do laws and they pass it on the President. If the President likes it, he would like to pass it. So, in my context, parliamentary is much better than a presidential government. Next is time. In a